YouTube channel. As you can see, I have some 2 mountain bikes. These zilikuwa gift. I was gifted by my dad. Today I decided to, why not take them to the fundi to check on it, on kama ni pumzi haina or anything. That's my mom. So we're going with Saimo and another friend of mine over here. Ndo tuende tutengeneze we. Wish me luck. And yeah, these are precious gifts. This is my dress code. My dress code by the besties. I know I'm supposed to not wear sandals when cycling, but I have no option. I just feel comfortable like this. So continue subscribing, liking and share this video. Keep on enjoying, and if you like this kind of content, tell me and drop me a comment and I will definitely know it all. These Mwangi's calf. Ni ng'ombe yako? Hey, Mwangi na utoe ngokoma.
Saimo nini pia hata nibaia tao.
Utoe ngokoma. Utaibai?
60,000. Mwangi uko sawa nikupatie 60. 60 saa hii.
Ni kama wali. Ona nikasupu sana. Kokenada.
Picture unitumie.
Oh. Mwas, this is a lovely cow. Ika freshan. Mwangi makarute goko maisi. This is tunatengenezwa barabara. You can see how it is. Yeah, that's one is my sister's and the other one is mine. And we are off to town. Wakwani na waesta tiga kwa ya merigo shoke kwa besties. As you can see over there, this is an old town. Hata ukiangalia buildings zake ni zile za kitambo, or like there is no those big story building. It's more of a village life. It's still enhancing before ikuwe maje, but they are trying. Village life kwa simple sana.
Hakuna gorofa
hata hakunanga gorofa moja. Ile gorofa yenye ni kubwa hata hakuna by the gorofa. That's one thing about the village life. Wanyu ikara de twarere ri horoyo. Oire toyo ratomo shoke kwanyu. Oire toyo ratomo shoke kwanyu. Ekegwera niedimuwe. Onadire damuona rege. Niedimuwe. Onadire damuona rege. Toshema nirietheka etereire matatu cia gataga ajeraro natanyonete hado kirafuine kodo dainaga dashi nidamushokeria dire damuona timaeni nedimuwe onadire damuona rege nedimuwe onadire damuona rege. Todo wana tumania gari nake na waiwajera tedi wona wega ira wa mania tedi reda muona kinyare twaria keni edimoe timaeni nedimoe onadire damuona rege nedimoe So this is what happened. Tumeenda and then I've only paid 50 bob kwa sababu si poa kumwacha tu hivyo, kumpea 20 bob na maisha imepanda. The only problem that he had, haikuwa na pumzi. That's it. And we are done. But it's gym. The last time niliendesha kitambo sana. So I'm just retaining the present and I can feel the warmth of my dad in this bicycle. Hope so, Dad, you're proud of your daughter. Continue subscribing, liking. Lakini ile kunyota nimenyota maji. Acha. Nareke. Wasiwasi wedo wakugoragwo menyereire. So what's happening right now? Mkiweza ona, there are a lot of uncleaned utensils over here, and the worst thing is that after we left, maji kidogo inatoka. So we are waiting for this person akuja tutengenezea. And I am with my Kama over there. So we're going to clean this vyombo. Tuendelee watch Netflix and chilling. Otire modonge ogego tunya. Twehokane totore maisha mega. Twehokane totore maisha mega. Kimenyaga nedimui. 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 Onarire damu onarege. Nedimui. 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 Onarire damu onarege. Gionya do kwehokana na mahoya magatweka muthingi noti watona na mundu karakara na rege torutaga wera nake kwoguo mwendwa ndukague na maitia kwoguo mwendwa ndukague na maitia ngikwira nidimui 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 onarire ndamuona rege nidimui Onadire damu